This amazing house is a new construction built entirely using 6 40-foot shipping containers. The containers are placed side by side, set a few feet apart, and stacked 3 stories high to create a 2,400 square feet house with 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and open plan living with modern finishes inside and out. A seamless atmosphere consisting of an entrance, open plan living, and access to the upper rooms greets you as soon as you walk in. The integration of these spaces with large windows is what makes the space so special. The dining is a nice space furnished with a round dining table and 4 elegant seats. From the dining space is a spacious gourmet kitchen which features custom white cabinetry, solid countertops, and stainless steel appliances with a well-finished kitchen backsplash, a pantry, plus a generous breakfast island that can comfortably sit 4. The living area accommodates a cozy lounge space defined with a beautiful floor mat, comfortable couches with a variety of throw pillows, a coffee table, display shelves for house accessories, and a pop of color to the white painted walls. A sliding glass door from the living room opens onto an adorable terrace to extend the indoors to the outdoors. Off the living area is a luxurious guest bathroom. The elegant staircase from the entrance, tailored from wood and steel, leads to the upper stories of the house. The second floor offers 2 spacious bedrooms, roomy enough to accommodate double beds or bunk beds if need be. The second floor also offers a luxurious Jack and Jill bathroom that features a glass shower cubicle, double vanities, and a toilet. In addition, there is a spacious laundry room providing convenience and practicality. On the third floor, the large master bedroom is a picture of good taste. It features a comfortable double bed, drawers, and a sitting area. The master bedroom is not just cozy but also well lit by the large picturesque windows that offer amazing views of the property. Joining the master bedroom is a spacious master bathroom featuring double vanities, soaking tub, a separate fully tiled shower cubicle, and a separate toilet. Past the master bathroom is a large walk-in closet for all your storage needs. Adjacent to the master suite is a well-lit, versatile space for an extra bedroom or a home office. The insulated interior has high ceilings, modern ceiling fans, heating units, and sophisticated style that tops off this exceptional modern home. The house interior is finished with hardwood floors throughout to create a warm and welcoming space. From outside, the building doesn't give any hint it is built out of shipping containers. The entire house is cladded with modern siding materials, making it stand out like any other conventional building. The house has got incredible finishes and gives it a beautiful curb appeal with an impressive price tag of $610,000 US. Feel free to check it out using the link in the description below. If you love this video, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. You are encouraged to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. On this channel, we showcase amazing shipping container projects from around the world. If you like this kind of content, then feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel for amazing weekly videos on shipping container projects.